This is the FIFINE AmpliGame D6 stream controller, and this is a no-nonsense overview of this device. Thank you to the team for sending me this. Opinions are my own. The FIFINE AmpliGame D6 is a budget-friendly stream controller with 15 customizable LCD keys, RGB lighting, and plug-and-play USB connectivity. Ideal for anyone looking to streamline their workflow, especially streamers and content creators. The clean packaging includes a quick start guide, the stream controller itself, and a USB cable, which comes with a built-in USB-A to USB-C adapter, giving you the choice of which to use. We're looking at responsive membrane keys and an RGB strip along the edge of the device, with multiple RGB modes available, including the ability to turn it off completely. Let's talk about the software. You can download the FIFINE control deck directly from their website. Once installed, you can drag and drop actions wherever you want on your device. As you can see here, I've already set mine up for launching OBS, scene switching, muting Discord and audio sources, system stats like CPU usage, Twitch actions, brightness, weather, and even putting the device to sleep. You can see my current list of plugins on the right, with more available by clicking the store icon here. Under the plugins section, you can download new plugins directly into the software. And similarly, if you're looking to replace some of the icons, you can do so by browsing the iconography available on the store, or you can even upload a local file. So overall, what are my thoughts on the FIFINE AmpliGame D6 stream controller? It is a fine piece of hardware, pun intended, and the price to performance is super competitive. A couple things I'd love to see for the next version would be a clicky mechanical option alongside the current responsive membrane, as well as a stand of some sort to adjust the viewing angle of the device. What else could you want from this device? Let me know in the comments below. Mission Wolf out.